So I just got this tumbler from I got this and this. So this is the QR code. You can scan it and then see how does it work. It has a good menu and all the disclaimer and everything. Here I got some knives that are like pretty dull. As you can see, it's doing nothing. I shouldn't be doing this, just let's see how does it work. It says 15-degree angles and then 20-degree angle for the knives to sharpen. So you can put a knife and then let's see how it's work. So let's try the 15-degree first. And it sticks. It sticks. That's a really good thing. So knife won't move. It will stick. So it's so safe. So you've got stick and you just do it like this. Voila! Wow! Just be careful. And the knife are pretty sharp. Looks sharp to me. It's pretty hard. Yeah, it's good. Let's try the 20-degree. Be really careful. 1, 2, I think that's. And as you can see, it's not damaging my knives or they're not damaging their color. Yep, it's all good. Let's try the other one. It's pretty sharp now, so I'll just cover it to be really careful with it. Yeah. Oops. All done for this. Let's try the small one on the 20 degrees. It just sticks. It's pretty small, so I will just, let's see how does it work. It just sticks here and then, yeah. It's not reaching there though, but just put it on top a little bit. So yeah, it's good like this. See? So good. Wow. Let's do it on the 15-degree angle. Nice. Wow, looks good. I won't try it on my hand though. I'll cut some things, might be. Let's try this one. It's pretty dull though. It's a big one. Let's see if it reaches. It's 15 degrees, so let's see. Put it here and yeah. See, it's good for the bigger knives and the smaller knives. Let's try the 20 degree for the bigger ones. I think, yes. Yep. I have to be really careful. I don't want to cut myself though. And yep, that's the Tumbler Knife Sharpener for you. It makes your knives cut like butter. Highly recommended. You can buy it from the link in the description and also read our article on Saving Says.